In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage inventory with Zoho Books. We'll walk through how to review an item and make a clean, auditable inventory adjustment from start to finish so you can keep your stock levels and values accurate. Start by opening Zoho Books and heading to the item section in your left sidebar. This is your catalog of products and services. Find the item you want to work with by browsing or using the search bar. Click the item to open its details page. On the item page, take a moment to review the key information you already have. You'll typically see the SKU or item code, sales and purchase prices, and most importantly, the current stock metrics, such as quantity on hand and available quantity. Verifying this context first helps you confirm whether an adjustment is really needed and what kind it should be. Next, move into the inventory area within the item's profile. Here, you can view inventory-specific details and access the history that relates to this item. From there, open inventory adjustments to see past changes and to make a new one when something needs correcting. Click Create Adjustment to begin. You'll be asked to choose the type of adjustment. Pick Quantity Adjustment. If your physical count doesn't match the system, such as after a stock take, damage, shrinkage, or a receiving discrepancy, choose While Value Adjustment. When the item's quantity is correct, but the accounting value needs fine-tuning, like after a write-down or cost revaluation. If you're unsure which to use, think of it this way. Quantity changes your stock units, value changes your stock valuation. Select the appropriate account for the adjustment. Many businesses use a dedicated inventory adjustment or inventory shrinkage account. If your chart of accounts is customized, follow your internal policy or check with your accountant to keep the books consistent. Choose a clear reason from the dropdown. Adding a concise note can save time later by explaining what happened and who verified it. Consistent reasons help maintain a strong audit trail. Now, add the item to the adjustment. Search and select it, then enter the new quantity or the adjusted value, depending on the adjustment type you chose. As you enter details, watch the calculated difference so you can confirm the impact before you finalize. When everything looks correct, complete the process by selecting Convert to Adjusted. This finalizes the entry, updates your stock records, and logs the change for reporting and audits. Afterward, spot check the item's quantities and values to confirm they reflect your intent. That's it. Your inventory is now up to date and properly documented in Zoho Books.